Welcome to Automobile Conditioning Tips, brought to you by Timemo ProTip Limited. And of course, this video is for vehicle owners, drivers, fleet managers. And today I'm going to speak on the topic: always check your condenser fan operation. In automobile conditioning system or in HVAC system, it is a closed loop, and every part in the HVAC system have their important role to play. You don't neglect anyone, so they work as a team. If any team member should break down, it will affect the AC system. The reason why I want to speak on the condenser fan today. In the system, the compressor compresses refrigerant to a high pressure and high temperature, and then deliver it to the condenser. It is at this condensing stage that is supposed to be cooled down and further change its state from gaseous to liquid. And who is responsible to cooling this compressed refrigerant down? It is your condenser fan. So if you are not paying attention to your condenser fan, if you are not maintaining your condenser fan, if you are not once in a while check if your condenser fan is running properly, that simple fan or that small thing that you see there can easily put you in expensive repairs, because if that condenser fan is not working, it will not, the refrigerant will not be able to change to be cooled down and further change its state from gaseous to liquid. And of course, what will happen to the system? It will return heat to your compressor and it will damage your compressor. We all know how expensive is compressor, so don't trade your condenser fan for compressor. So always ensure that your condenser fan is working effectively. Oftentimes I help solve some issues that after replacing the fan, when they turn on the car and turn on AC, your engine will overheat. The issue is that most time they connect this fan anti mean if this fan is supposed to rotate clockwise, but when you replace your fan, it's now rotating anti-clockwise, so it's not going to do the job again. So the fan will just be there and be rotating, but it's not doing the job. So you need to know at which rotation your fan is supposed to be blowing, because there are some fan that are being placed in front of your condenser. There are some fan that are being placed behind your radiator, meaning that fan has two jobs to do. It's going to cool down your engine water. It's also going to cool down your radiator, your condenser. So you should be able to know at which direction and at which position is this fan is being placed. From there you should be able to know, okay, this fan that is running here is running at the right way. If you don't do this, you will not have cooling. Even if you turn on your AC and everything is running, the cooling will not be there. At the end, it will also damage your compressor, because that refrigerant is not only there to make you cool, it's also there to also serve as a cooling agent to your compressor. So if hot refrigerant return back to your compressor, it's going to damage your compressor, most especially if your high pressure switch have been bypassed, because the high pressure switch should be able to help the compressor from tripping off. Or if the compressor is fitted with discharge valve, it will help that gas to discharge and stop the unit from working. But if all these safety devices have been compromised, it will end you at expensive repairs, because that compressor is going to pack. So always ensure and also check that your condenser fan is working efficiently. If your condenser fan is weak, replace it, because a weak condenser fan will not give you the cooling that you want. It will not be able to cool that refrigerant down and further help you to change the state from gaseous to liquid. So please always pay attention to your condenser fan. I want to believe that these few tips are useful and it is beneficiary to you as a vehicle owner, and it is beneficiary to you as a driver, and it is beneficiary to you also as a fleet manager. Please don't forget to share this video to have a wider publicity. And of course, don't forget to follow Timemo Auto Global Limited for more automobile conditioning tips. Remember, if you are in Uyo, that is in Akwa Ibom State, our office is located at number 50B NEPA line. Don't forget again that knowledge saves cost. See you tomorrow.